go get this thing cleaned up.
Here, Hervey is cruising through Greensboro, North Carolina, in Fuzzy, a 2016 Dodge Charger, which was a former North Carolina Highway Patrol car. It's all-wheel drive, has 130,000 miles, and a Hemi 5.7 V8 engine. It doesn't just idle, it grumbles with power. The Hemi packs a punch that could wake the dead, or at least catch their attention as you speed by. You can almost hear the echoes of sirens and feel the adrenaline of the chases it's seen. Police upgrades like heavy-duty brakes and reinforced cooling and suspension makes the car special. Today, it's getting the VIP treatment at the detail shop. A fresh wash and wax will turn back the clock a little before Hervey finds Fuzzy, the Charger, a new owner. Let's make Fuzzy look as sharp as the day it hit the road. Well, as close as possible. Hervey's known Ben for a decade or so. He stopped here one day a few years ago to get a detail on his Camry he calls Casper. Had no idea Ben was the one running this detail shop. His shop was on Vandalia years ago. Ben said his business was slow, so Hervey built him a search engine optimized website, Google My Business profile, and Facebook page to help out. Well, Ben says business is now booming. Go figure.
Okay, we got the finished product.
Shampoo job. This is no shampoo, just a vacuum job.
Vacuum.
Yeah. And it smells good too. Fresh.
How's it going? You getting people from the website?
Yeah, a lot of people go from the website. Call me sometimes, test me the address, I test the address. See the business, sometimes it's the weekend busy. There's Sunday too. Before I put my sign for open Sunday, 10 o'clock for 6:11 right now. I can't open 9. Not 10, open 9 right now.
So many.
So people come in, yeah, comfy. So I see sign, I said, okay, I'll be there.